Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add Okta extension to Chrome. Alright, so first up, go log into your Okta account. Now once you're in here on your dashboard, just go to the top right and click on admin. Okay. It will ask you to verify using your Okta app. Just go ahead and verify. And then once done, you'll be logged into the same exact page. Now once you're in here, just go ahead over to the left panel and then click on settings. Okay. And here, just click on downloads. Wait for it to load. Once it loads in the center of your screen, just go and scroll all the way down and you will find the section that is called End User Browser Plugins. Okay. As you can see here, we have a ton of options. We have one here for Firefox, Safari, Chrome, or Chromium Edge. Okay. So in here, just click on In Chrome Store, click on it, and then just go ahead and click on Add to Chrome. All right. As you can see here, I'm using a Brave, but this is a Chromium browser, so it's the same. Click on Add to Chrome, and then there will be a pop-up. Just click on Add to Extension. Wait for it to load. And once done, as you can see here, instead of saying Add to Chrome, it now says Remove from Chrome. Okay. And when you go ahead over to the top right and click on the Extensions tab, right here, as you can see, Okta Browser Plugin is now installed. And if you can't find this one, you go ahead over to the three dots or three lines, and then go ahead over to Extensions and click on Manage Extensions. And there we have the Okta Browser Plugin, which is already enabled. Okay, you can go ahead and click on Details, like so. Here we have the version, the size, and some other information. Okay, and that is it. That's how you add Okta extension to Chrome. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.